We'll guide you through how to make a Facebook account. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on either a phone or a computer. If you're using the phone, go and download the Facebook app and open it up. And what you need to do is go down to the bottom and go and click on Create New Account. So you can then go and press on Get Started. And firstly, you need to go and enter your name. So I'm going to go and type mine in now. And once you've done that, click Next. You then need to go and enter your date of birth. So go and enter that in now. After you've done that, click on Next, and you can then go and choose your gender. For me, I'm male, so I'll go and press Next. Now you can either sign up using your mobile number or your email address. Personally, I'm going to go and use an email, so I'll click on sign up with email and I'll then go and enter one. After you've entered your email, go and click on next, and you'll then need to go and create a password. You'll need to agree to the Facebook terms and policies, which I do, so I press I agree. You'll then be sent a verification code to the email. So what you need to do is go and check that email inbox. After you've entered the confirmation code, you'll then be taken to this page here where you can go and add a profile picture. It helps people know who you are. Personally though, I'll just press skip as I'm just making this guide. And just like that, we've now gone and created our Facebook account. Facebook will then prompt you to do some different things, which you can choose if you wish to. Personally, I don't want to go and upload contacts, so I'm not going to. Facebook will go and see if it can find anyone you may know. Press next, and we've now gone and created our account. Then what you can do is go and start using Facebook. So there's loads of content you can go and look at. You can start adding friends and yeah, all types of things you can do with it. If you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.